Welcome, in front of me Warhammer Speed Freeks game, and now I'm gonna show you how to change mouse sensitivity on this game. Firstly, you should open settings. To do that, click on the gear icon top part of your screen, then select settings. Afterwards, click input, and in input, here as you can see here controls. So here, choose aim vertical sensitivity. Change vertical sensitivity is when you move your mouse from up to down or from down to up. You can change it, make it more sensitive or less sensitive. And then change aim horizontal sensitivity. It's when you move mouse from left to right or from right to left. Cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.